How to insert certain values at certain indices of a tensor in TensorFlow? Let's say I have a tensor input of shape 100 by 1 and another tensor in place of shape 20 by 1 and an index underscore tensor of shape 100 by 1. The index underscore tensor represents places of input where I want to insert the values from in place. The index underscore tensor has only 20 true values and rest of its values are false. I try to explain the desired operation below. How can this operation be achieved using TensorFlow? Assign operation works only for tf.variable while I want to apply it on the output of tf.nn.rnn. I read one can use tf.scatter_nd but it requires in-place and index underscore tensor to be of the same shape. The reason I want to use this is that I get an output from RNN, then I extract some values from and feed them to some dense layer and this output from dense layer, I want to insert back in the original tensor which I obtained from RNN operation. I do not want to apply dense layer operation on the whole output from RNN due to certain reasons and if I do not insert the result of dense layer back in output of RNN, then the dense layer is kind of useless. Any suggestion will be really appreciated.
Because the tensor you have is immutable, you can't assign a new value to it nor change it in place. What you have to do is modify its value using standard operations. Below is how you can do it.
This is a parenthesis here.